Two hotties in Hot Springs.
I totally just rolled my ankle.
This pretty bird's about to take flight.
Alright, what's up you guys? It's Sydney here. Now it's getting warmer outside, the weather's nice, and it's time to take trips and go on vacation.
Bitch, I need a break.
If you're like me, I absolutely hate planning the trip. I just want to go and have fun. So I partner with Pack Up and Go, and they give you tons of recommendations for things that you can do. They plan your entire trip for you, but there's a catch. You don't know where you're going until the day of the trip.
Say what?
If you like the element of surprise, then this is for you. They have 4 different types of vacations. They have staycations, plane/train trips, road trips, and outdoor road trips. And I opted for the outdoor road trip to get out of my comfort zone a little bit.
If you ever see me fighting in the forest with a grizzly bear, help the bear! That gonna need it.
It's the day of my trip. I got the envelope. Let's open it up to see where I'm going. Drum roll, please. Warning, no peeking until the day of departure. I'm going to Hot Springs, Arkansas. Oh my God, this is gonna be so much fun.
We're gonna party.
Pack Up and Go folder. Inside the folder, it includes fun facts about your destination, where you'll be staying, and a list of pre-planned activities and recommendations. Now, based off your budget, it may include gift cards to certain places. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna go pick up my sister. This is gonna be a fun girls trip, so let's go. So we got my sister. You ready?
Road trip.
Road trip. You need some help?
I do, please.
Hey. All right, so I just picked up Tiffany. We're about to go ahead and get on the road. Tiffany doesn't know where we're going yet.
Nope, not yet.
Not yet. Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
All right, we are going to Hot Springs.
Yay! Two hotties in Hot Springs.
Oh,
Bruh.
Let's go. I'm ready.
Hey.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
3 hours later.
So we have arrived to Hot Springs, Arkansas. We stayed at Starlight Haven, which was near downtown Hot Springs and about 8 minutes from Hot Springs National Park. You had a key code to enter the property, and right up the hill are the tree houses. They have several you can choose from. So we made it. We are at our treehouse, Starlight Haven. I was super excited. The treehouse was pretty and we felt secure since you needed a code to enter. I had to run back to the car to get it out my folder because I forgot. Don't judge me. Anyway, check out the inside. You have a fireplace, a fully stocked kitchen with everything you would need to make yourself a meal. They had cups, pots, pans, utensils, Pam, literally everything. They also left us a super sweet note welcoming me and Tiffany to Starlight Haven. The bathroom was stocked with everything as well. You had hot water, towels, all the necessities. Outside, a beautiful view. You had a hot tub, a grill, and a swing to chill on. We're settled in the treehouse at Starlight Haven, and now we're gonna get ready and go to dinner. We have reservations at Rolando's. We're starving. We haven't really eaten since we left. We had Dunkin' earlier, but we're ready to chow down. So, yeah.
Do you guys need more time to look over the menu or?
Yeah. Day 2, I'm about to go ziplining and everything at Adventure Works. So excited. I think it's supposed to be about an hour and a half, 10 different zip lines, and I think it can go as high as 60 feet. So I'm about to head in the car and go there. I did this activity solo because, of course, my pregnant sister could not strap up and zip line through the forest. That would have been wild. So I have gone ziplining before at Shelby Farms, and it was a great experience. The zipline here was 1,000 feet long and 80 feet high. It was beautiful taking in the views. I would definitely recommend you try it out once in your life. You got to. So, just finished ziplining. It was so much fun. I really wish that I could have brought my professional camera, but then he told me that there are some people who have literally dropped their phone into the lake because we go over a lake when we zip line, and I was like, I know we have our helicopter ride at 3 p.m. We're supposed to go fly over a lake. I forgot the name of the lake. I'm gonna check that out. So, and then we have dinner reservations at this really nice restaurant at 7 at Vault. So I'm gonna wear this cute little romper for the helicopter ride. Helicopter ride, here we come. Here we go. I totally just rolled my ankle. You excited to ride the helicopter?
I'm so excited. This pretty bird's about to take flight.
I'm done. We were literally talking about how when you have Isabella, that she, you can tell her that you've been on a helicopter.
Yeah. Yeah, RJ's gonna be so jealous. He's like, girls get to have all the fun.
Now, this was something else. We've never gone in a helicopter, never flown up in one before, but our pilot Garrett made sure we were comfortable. Tiffany was nervous and was holding on tight as a mofo to that handlebar. Whee! Sister memories. So we're back home from the helicopter ride. We showered and changed, and now we're about to go to dinner at the Vault. We have reservations at 7 p.m. We have our little gift card right here. Cannot wait to eat because I haven't eaten all day. I've eaten little protein bars and stuff, but I'm not counting that. So I am ready to throw down. I'm not preggers, so you already know I was going to drink for the both of us. The drink was fatu. My sister and I both ordered the catch of the day, 10 out of 10. It was delicious. We had to get dessert too because calories don't count when you're on vacation. This chocolate cake was delicious as well. And of course, sharing is caring, so we split it. Literally left no crumbs.
Perfect. Oh, my dates. My dates.
So our final day in Hot Springs, we already checked out of our treehouse. Now we're about to go grab some breakfast from the Pancake shop and do some more sightseeing before we officially hit the road and head back to Memphis. Woo! Woo! big, like the tail.
Yeah. Wow.
So we have a scavenger hunt, and we just saw a peacock.
Yes, we're getting to start.
Yes.
I'm happy we ate.
I am too.
Yeah.
Got some food on our stomach.
Omelets and pancakes. Perfect diet for a hike.
Yes.
For a gardening stroll.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
What's the fun bonsai tree fact?
That you can make a bonsai tree out of any tree, like an orange tree or a weeping willow, and it looks like a tree for like little fairy.
Lesson of the day.
Fun fact.
Fun fact.
Full of them.
I want to pet one.
You don't pet koi fish.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Find a happy place, find a happy place, find a happy place.
Thank you so much, Starlight Haven, for having us, and ℚ𝕝𝕝𝕝 for planning this entire trip. We had a ton of fun. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you next time.